Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I'm here to show you a cup coaster, a heart cup coaster. This is very easy to make and it looks very beautiful on your table, on your dressing or on your center table or anything else. And I have made it with the yarn, the scrap of yarn that I have in red color. So let's get started. For this you will be needing 3.5 mm hook and a tapestry needle, a stitch marker and a pair of scissors, and obviously red color. You can also make it in any different color you want, but I prefer to be in red color as Valentine's month is also coming. You can gift it to your loved ones, making a pair or a couple of pairs for them, and it looks really very beautiful. So let's get started. So starting with a slip knot, chain 17. You have to make 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is 17. Into the second chain from your hook, you have to make 3 double crochets. Into the second chain from your hook, you have to make single crochet. 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and this is the third one. After making 3 single crochets, you now have to make 6 more single crochets in each of the chain, like 1 single crochet in each chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. After completing 6 single crochets, you have to skip these 2 chains and make 6 more single crochets into next 6 chains. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you can see that there is only 1 chain left at the end of our this round, and in this you have to make 3 single crochets. Now you can see this has become a V shape and this is going to take its heart shape. We are going to work in rounds. So now we are going to work in the opposite side of our work, and as you can see over here, we did 3 single crochets into the last chain, and now we are going to also take this yarn with us so that it looks very neat. 1, make single crochet in each of the stitch you can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th one. Once you have completed your 6 single crochets, you are now going to have chain 2 space that we left in while we were making at this opposite side. So in this 2 chain space, you have to make a single crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet. Again, now we are going to make 6 single crochets into the next stitches. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our round 1 is complete, and over here I'll highly recommend to use a stitch marker so that we remember that we have started our round from here. Now we are going to work in these 3 single crochets. So we are going to make 2 single crochets in each of this stitch. 2 single crochets into the next 2 single crochets and into the next 2 single crochets. Now next what we have to do is we have to reach till here. Okay, so next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we are going to make 5 single crochets. Once you have made 5 single crochets, now you have to skip these 2 stitches and work into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have now reached to the end of this corner and we have 1, 2, 3 single crochets over here, which we did in our last stitch. So in these 3 single crochets we are going to do 2 single crochets in each of the stitch. 2 single crochet in this stitch and once again 2 single crochet into the third one. Again we are going to do single crochets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single crochets in this chain 2 space. We are going to do single crochet, chain 2, single crochet and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this will be our 7th and our round 2 will be completed. Let me pause and come to this end. Once we have completed our 6th single crochet, we are going to remove this and make the 7th single crochet over here. Our round 2 is complete and we are going to place a stitch marker again. Now again what we have to do is we have to make two single crochets into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, 2 single crochets into the next stitch and 1 single crochet into the next, 2 and 1. Now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skip these 2 stitches and work into the next 4 stitches by working 4 single crochets. Over here again we are going to do the same thing we did over here. 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet all the way over here and now we are going to do over here. Let me come to this point. Once we have completed this set, we are now going to make 8 single crochets into next 8 stitches. We are now here at the chain 2 space and in this chain 2 space the same thing we are going to do, single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Now again we are going to do 8 single crochets including this one and our round 3rd will be completed. So it will look something like this once you have completed your 3 rounds. Now in the 4th round what you have to do over here at these 2 edges is that you have to make 2 single crochets, one single crochet, 1 single crochet and next 2 single crochet into this stitch. Once again single crochet and double crochet. Single crochet, single crochet. Once you have completed this, then you are going to make 1, 2 and 3 single crochets and over here you are going to skip these 2 stitches. Remember when you are going like this at the depth of this heart coaster, you have to skip these 2 stitches and again do the same pattern and over here chain 2 single crochet, chain 2 single crochet and again continue. Your round 4 will be completed and after round 4 same pattern will be followed, but what you have to do is 2 single crochet into this stitch and then 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. Okay, so in this way complete round 4 and 5. Here I am pausing the video and you too pause the video and complete, and then I'll show you how to fasten off and make it seamless. Now I'm here at the last stitch of my last round, that is the 5th round, and I'm going to remove this stitch marker over here and make the last single crochet. After that I'm going to leave a long tail like this and cut off my yarn. Now how to make it seamless? Now see, it is not looking good. So how to make it seamless? You simply have to weave your yarn into the needle. Okay, and now what you have to do, look it very carefully. You have to insert your needle over here into the next stitch and pass your needle over here into only one loop. So this will look like a seamless work. Now over here we simply have to weave the ends of this and hide this tail. And cut your yarn. So here we go. Our pair of coasters is ready, and as you can see it is looking very beautiful. I can make you a focus of it, so have a look at it. Don't you think they are cute and pretty, showing some love and a piece of kindness? With that, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button if you have not yet subscribed. And please share my videos and please do comment if you have any suggestion. Please do give it to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.